Hi everyone, if you're new to this channel, you're welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, you are welcome back. Today we're quickly going to breeze through the work visa requirements for Luxembourg. I have posted a video talking about the top 10 in-demand jobs for Luxembourg. As a follow-up, I posted job websites and recruitment agencies that you can get a job, especially as a foreigner wishing to work in Luxembourg. So in this video, I'm just going to walk you through the work visa requirements for foreigners who want to work in Luxembourg, okay? If you're new to this channel, my name is Zuri, and on this channel, we talk about travel tips, visas, immigrations, and international opportunities. So if this is something that you would like to be a part of, just smash the subscribe button and hit the notifications bell so that you can be notified when I drop new content, especially of international opportunities. All right. Now, before we begin, I have my laptop here. I just want to answer one question that might be on your mind, especially if you're new to this channel. And the question might be, why Luxembourg, right? I mean, I've gotten that question a couple of times, and I know that is the question on your mind. The very first and obvious reason is because Luxembourg is a Schengen country. Now, we all know, or well, a lot of people know that when you have access to Luxembourg as a Schengen country, you have access to all the other Schengen countries, okay? So it is general knowledge. Access to one Schengen country means access to the other Schengen countries. Also, Luxembourg is one of the wealthiest countries in Europe. Now, a lot of people might be thinking, yeah, all that is good, especially when I even say that the quality of life is also amazing. There's excellent healthcare, excellent education, and the social services are good. And I know you're thinking all that is good, but the most important thing is, let's talk about the money. How much am I going to be paid and all that? Well, Luxembourg has a favorable minimum wage compared to a lot of other European countries, and also their tax rates are considerably low. So you don't have anything much to worry about, okay? Now let's go into the juice for the day, the work requirements for Luxembourg. And I already wrote everything down here because I don't want to forget anything, right? I'm going to walk you through the essential requirements that you need to have for a work visa in Luxembourg. So if you're trying to apply for a work visa to Luxembourg, these are the things that you need to have. The very first thing that you need to have is a job offer. Now this is a very crucial step, okay, and it's a critical step because your employer has to be, number one, the employer must sponsor your visa. The employer has to be based in Luxembourg. Now, your job offer has to detail your salary, your contract length, and your job role. These are very important. So the very first thing that you need to have is a job offer from a Luxembourg-based employer. The second thing that you need to have is a work contract. After you get the job offer, you need to have a work contract. Now, this work contract should be signed and it has to meet Luxembourg's labor laws. It is meant to stipulate your working conditions, your work hours, and your salary, okay? So you need to have a signed work contract. Number three is that you have to have a residence permit application. Now, this application normally requires your job offer, your work contract, your international passport biodata page, and your proof of accommodation. So if your employer is going to assist with your accommodation, you need to have proof of that as well, okay? So please make sure that you have a resident permit application underway. Number four is that you have to have health insurance. You have to provide evidence of your health insurance coverage, either from your employer or from a private provider. Number five is a criminal background check, what some people might call in Nigeria the police character certificate or a police character report. You need to get a criminal background check from your home country to show that you are a person of integrity or to show that your background is clean. Another requirement that will be good for you is your language requirements. Now, while not knowing any of Luxembourg's major languages like French, German, or Luxembourgish, now if you don't know any of these languages, it is not essentially mandatory, but then you would have an edge if along with your English, you also understand one or all of these other languages. This is because it will help you to integrate into the workspace more. So if you have the time, you can start learning one other language to help you and to give you an edge in the workplace. Now let's move to number seven. And number seven basically is additional documents like your educational qualifications, your professional certifications. It depends on the job that you are applying for. So make sure to check with your employer for any specific requirements. So that's it for the documents and the requirements that you need in order to apply for a work visa. If you're planning to apply for a work visa in Luxembourg, make sure that you have all these documents prepared. It might be a lengthy process, but with proper preparation, you'll be well on your way to starting your new adventure in Luxembourg. Remember to follow me on social media for more travel and visa tips, as well as international opportunities. Now, if you have any comments or any video suggestions or any country or opportunity you would like me to cover, please leave it in the comment section and I will definitely respond. If you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up, and if you are yet to subscribe, please hit the subscribe button and tap the notification bell so that you can always be notified of content, especially content talking about international opportunities. Also, don't forget to share my video with anyone you think would be interested in working in Luxembourg. Now, if you're one of those who have not yet watched my video talking about the top 10 jobs in demand in Luxembourg, or the websites, the job websites for foreigners in Luxembourg, or the recruitment agencies that can help you as a foreigner to get a job in Luxembourg, I have linked them all in the description below. It will be really nice for you to go watch them so that when you're about to apply for your work visa, you will be very prepared. Now, good luck with your job hunting, good luck with your work visa application, and I'll see you in the next video.